For business owners in Shelby Township, your roof is more than just a structural necessity. It's a critical investment that protects your assets, employees, and day-to-day operations. Whether you're managing a warehouse, retail space, office building, or industrial facility, choosing the right commercial roofing solution can make a lasting impact on your building's performance, safety, and efficiency. At its best, a commercial roof does more than shield against the elements. It reduces energy costs, boosts property value, and strengthens your reputation as a business that maintains its infrastructure. If you're in Shelby TWP and considering new roofing or repairs, here's everything you need to know. Why commercial roofing in Shelby TWP matters. Shelby Township experiences a full range of Michigan's weather, from heavy snow and ice in winter to storms and humidity in summer. These seasonal shifts can take a toll on roofing materials over time. A weak or outdated roof puts your building at risk for leaks, insulation problems, mold growth, and even structural damage. Professional commercial roofing services ensure your roof is built or maintained to withstand local weather conditions, meet industry codes, and keep your operations running smoothly, no matter the season. Tailored roofing options for every business. Not all commercial buildings have the same roofing needs. That's why top roofing contractors in Shelby TWP offer customized solutions based on the size, layout, and usage of your property. Common commercial roofing systems include TPO, thermoplastic polyolefin roofing. This single-ply roofing membrane is one of the most popular choices for commercial properties. TPO is energy efficient, UV resistant, and known for its heat reflective properties, perfect for lowering cooling costs during Shelby TWP summers. EPDM, ethylene propylene diene monomer roofing. This durable rubber roofing membrane offers excellent longevity and weather resistance. It's a cost-effective solution for low-slope commercial roofs that need solid protection without a premium price. Metal roofing. Modern commercial metal roofs offer unmatched durability and longevity, often lasting 40+ years with proper maintenance. They're ideal for warehouses, manufacturing facilities, and businesses that prioritize long-term performance and fire resistance. Modified bitumen roofing. Built for flexibility and strength, modified bitumen is perfect for flat or low-slope commercial roofs that endure high foot traffic or equipment loads. Maintenance and repair. Proactive protection. The key to extending the lifespan of your commercial roof is regular maintenance. Shelby TWP roofing professionals offer inspection programs and preventive maintenance plans that identify problems early, before they become costly emergencies. Common services include leak detection and patching, drainage and gutter clearing, flashing inspection, sealant and coating reapplication, snow and ice removal. Routine maintenance not only saves money on major repairs, it helps preserve the integrity of your roof and prevents interruptions to your business operations. Energy efficiency and sustainability. With rising energy costs, Shelby Township businesses are increasingly turning to roofing systems that improve building efficiency. Reflective coatings, white membranes like TPO, and green roofing options can all contribute to lower HVAC usage, reduced energy bills, enhanced indoor comfort, LEED certification and sustainability gold. Energy-efficient roofing isn't just good for your bottom line. It's also a selling point for environmentally conscious customers and tenants. Trust local expertise. Choosing a local Shelby Twp roofing contractor offers major advantages. They understand the regional building codes, weather patterns, and typical roofing challenges. You'll also benefit from fast response times, reliable warranties, and personalized customer service. Look for companies that are licensed and insured, experienced in commercial roofing systems, backed by strong customer reviews, offering clear estimates and project timeline. A quality roofer doesn't just install a roof, they become your long-term partner in protecting your business. Final thoughts. Invest in your roof. Invest in your business. Your commercial roof is one of the most important assets your building has. Whether you need a full replacement, a repair, or a seasonal inspection, investing in professional roofing solutions in Shelby Twp ensures long-term security, energy efficiency, and peace of mind. With the right team and materials, you can safeguard your business, literally, from the top down.